They thought they ruled the garden. But today, the hunters become the hunted. If you like the brutal face of the wild and its unexpected battles, subscribe now. Because every week, we discover nature's deadliest duels. In the silent greenery of a late summer afternoon, a wasp colony thrives. Their workers venture out, determined and tireless, searching for wood, water, and food. Their wings buzz like warning sirens. But not all predators are loud, hidden, motionless, watching. The praying mantis, a master of patience, a predator shaped by stillness, its limbs folded like a monk, yet deadly as a blade. Wasps may be armed with one of the most feared stings in the insect world. But mantises, they strike before fear even registers. Which do you think will win, intelligence or poison? Write in the comments. A single wasp lands nearby. She senses nothing. The mantis doesn't move. Then, lightning. With lightning speed, the mantis lunges, seizing the wasp mid-flight. Her front legs snap shut like a trap, paralyzing the wasp before it can even sting. No mercy, no hesitation. She bites, not randomly, precisely, straight to the brain. The wasp twitches, falls silent. But the mantis is far from done. Another wasp, then another. Each one is picked off with brutal efficiency. To most insects, wasps are untouchable tyrants. But to the mantis, they're just lunch. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell for more deadly encounters like this. We're here with new episodes. In the insect world, power doesn't always roar. Sometimes, it waits in silence. And when it strikes, there are no second chances. If you like epic battles like this, be sure to check out the video, The Deadliest Rattlesnake in America. A real battle in the jungle awaits you.